Welcome to my channel everyone, where every dish is full of nutrition. Today we are making protein, calcium and iron packed paneer beetroot tikkis. Let's get started. Heat up some oil, add asafoetida, turmeric and cumin coriander powder. Saute it for like 30 seconds. Now add around 60 grams of paneer, crumble it with hand or you can even shred it. Now quickly add some water for masala and potatoes boil. We will saute this for like 5 minutes till the paneer mixture is dry. This way there will be no milkiness left in the paneer and the tikkis will stay firm and not go soggy for a long time. Also, the children who do not like milk and the milky taste, they will really enjoy the tikkis. Now in a plate, take a small boiled potato and smash it. I have taken half a big potato. Now add half a beetroot, shredded beetroot, grated beetroot, and our paneer mixture. Make sure it's somewhat cooled down so you don't get burnt. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons of semolina or sooji, some salt to taste and start mixing. This is how it will look like when mixed. Now put it into small balls to make tikkis. This is how I have shaped them. In a pan, heat it up, put some oil and start placing our tikkis. My pan has some fun figures on it, that's why I'm pressing. You can use a normal pan, it will be easier that way. There you go, now I placed all my tikkis. When cooked on one side, flip it and cook it on the other side as well till it's tasty. This is how it looks, you guys. If you're planning to give this to your child in tiffin, add 2 more spoons of sooji or semolina or breadcrumbs. Our taste tester is ready and he has approved of them. He really loves them. He has finished almost all of them. Recipe and nutrition are listed below. Please like and subscribe for more, you guys. Bye.